Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the issue when your JBL Tune 720BT, the one side is not working. So it's like really simple, but maybe it's going to work. So first, turn it on, power on, and now you just want to do a factory reset and to see if it's going to work out. So you want to hold the plus and minus together. And it's going to say power off, and then it's going to turn on again. So try it out and let me down below in the comments if it's going to work out or no. So I hope that your ears, like the headphones, are not damaged or anything, but maybe this is going to be just like a factory reset issue. So let me down below in the comments if it worked, and if it didn't, that what actually worked for you, so we can help each other out. Have a great day and goodbye.